Canon has a new Cinema EOS camera on the way. The Canon C50 is coming. And it could be the Canon's direct rival on the Sony FX3. Let's go over what we know so far. Canon dropped a teaser. The body is compact and box style. It has a red record button and a tally lamp. The official announcement is set for September 9, 2025. Rumor says the Canon C50 has a 32 megapixel, a full-frame sensor, it supports open gate recording, the weight is under 700 grams, and the design based on the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. The C50 has a boxy cinema look, flat top, multiple mount points, and is built for rigs, gimbals, and flexible setups. This camera is for indie filmmakers, for creators who use gimbals, and for anyone who loves Canon color science. It is small, light, and ready to cinema work. The Canon C50 looks like a real cinema beast. If Canon nails the codecs, dynamic range, and the autofocus, this could be the huge hit in 2025. The full reveal is only days away. Big shout out to the Puncube, LensGo, and the BeenTo App. Use my code BTRphy when you try the BeenTo apps. And thanks to the K&F Concept for my new tripod. Are you excited for the Canon C50? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. See you in the next one.